Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you how you can install double tap to wake feature on your Nexus 4 device. For this, you must be rooted and you must have TWRP recovery installed. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm currently running CyanogenMod 12.1 on my Nexus 4. It's top of Lollipop. And we also have a kernel version 3.4.0 CyanogenMod. For this, we need to update our kernel. So what you can do is go to Play Store, type HealthScore. You will get these two applications. You need to download both of them. Once you are downloaded, just go to HealthScore U2D. It will ask for super user permission. Grant it. Now choose your operating system. I am using 5.1. And remember, this will only work on these three ROMs. So be careful when you are doing this. I am using CyanogenMod. It says automatic installation works only in TWRP recovery. For CWM, you need to install it manually. This is the kernel version, so just click get it now. Once it is downloaded, it will automatically install a kernel, so you don't have to do anything. Now just click reboot and install. It will install automatically. Once custom kernel is installed, just check with the system. As you can see, we are running HealthScore custom kernel. Now just go to HealthScore kernel manager, grant a super user permission. Now click on menu and click on touch controls. Here you will see an option double tap to wake. Just on it and save it. It says application successfully saved. Go back and now you are ready to go. Your double tap feature will work. As we are running CyanogenMod 12.1, it will give us a feature that double tap to sleep option. Double tap on notification bar, it will go to sleep. Now make sure you double tap at the middle of the screen. It won't work at the top or the bottom. You have to double tap at the middle. Here we go. We have a double tap to wake feature on our Nexus 4 device. And remember one thing, once you are rebooted to your system, you have to go to HealthScore kernel manager, touch control, and this feature you have to enable it again. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.